Don't look at me.
Huh?
Don't look at me, it's really nerve-wracking.
Come on, Lee. You're going to be internet famous.
So, today is the day. We're finally going to fit the coilovers. And I got Skippy here to help me.
Hello.
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 So, I think we're going to pop all 4 stands up and just do them at the same time. So yeah, we'll see how much we get done today. I may fit the lip if I've got time to do it. But yeah, main thing's coilovers, get them set up. So I think we're going to start with the rears because they're easier. And then we'll move over to the fronts. Yeah, let's do it. We do have instructions, but they're all in Japanese.
Oh. Just look for a number.
Yeah.
Next to the plate. 0, -2. Yes, have that.
I want that in there. First of all, remove the inspection panels and the scoop if you have one, so you can access the top nuts. And then take off your nice freshly painted wheels, being as careful as possible without resulting in tears. Right, so next thing is to remove the brake lines. They should just come off like this. Like that. Off.
Does it pull up through the bracket?
You kind of wiggle it and pull it sideways. You don't pull up because there's a big washer on the bottom. Oh, you undo these two. 21 mils. So take this off and then drop links 17 mil. Shifted.
That was a nice.
Yeah, underneath the blanket, you can see. Wrap myself up.
What exactly it is, but it's like shadow.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's a
Different one.
BC Tein comparison right there. Tains are a lot chunkier. Better build quality, I think. So I need to measure these up. And
Okay, that feels fine.
yeah, so they only go one way. It's all good. Right, got temperature? Aha, here's one I made earlier. So you're just happy to see me.
Yeah. Stole it off stone though.
It is.
I'm gonna stand in the best. I didn't even think of that. They don't even expect them cars to go around corners. Not really, right? It's a proper geometry setup
Yeah, right.
with a tape measure.
Cool, these are completely different. we go.
Wow.
So like that. Wow. Shocking. Shocking. So set a drain hole on the inner. Oh, be careful. Don't touch it. Oh my god. It's in. Oh, that was a sexual feeling right there.
I'm not hitting that right now.
Don't say that. Yeah, that's what it did to me. You don't go and then suddenly it goes. With me on.
No. Been running sort of got me.
Right? This is the UK weather for you. Brilliant sunshine and raining. And it's so light, it literally looks like snow.
Oh.
Right? Nearly done.
Done that same so you figure.
Yes.
It's over tight on the top nuts.
This is manufacturer's spec torque setting.
Click.
Click.
There it is.
Click. Have you done yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so the rears are done, they're on, and they look sick. Found a nail in my tyre on the inner wall, pulled it out and it started pissing out air everywhere, so I have to go get some new tyres tomorrow. They're getting low anyway. And we're just gonna go get some pizza and then deal with the front. We're almost there. It's a boy.
Here we go.
Okay, testing time. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Testing, testing. Check, 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 check.
Wake up the neighbours.
Mic check.
Check. That feels better.
Yeah, that's a bit softer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little bit.
A little bit, not a lot, but just
Yeah, just enough.
enough, innit? Oh yeah, much better.
I like it. Like it a lot.
I like it.
Trying to watch through the camera. It's not working. I feel like I'm in Need for Speed. It's not so harsh. Still got a bed in a little bit though.
That's it. I'll just see how they go and keep adjusting every now and then. Quite nice.
Quite nice.
It's nice.
It's quite nice actually.
Should get the green lights on. A bit proper.
Get some glare on this camera.
Yeah.
Look at that. Not really. Camera's thick. one car ever, if ever, I got into a road rage incident with, it'd be with a British driver.
Yep.
I swear.
Finish on my tyres.
Yeah, I think that worked. I reckon they're on their way now.
Use them all up by tomorrow.
Yeah, they're on their way. Grippy, yeah. I don't know.
It is.
Yeah.
It's got a lot more to give.
Yeah.
But I need to.
It's just a bit of
back into it,
confidence, yeah. That's what I mean. I tracked my Fiesta around now. It's like a go-kart. I
Yeah.
know exactly where it's going to be, but we've got new suspension now.
That's it.
It's like relearning the car all over again.
It is. It feels a lot better now. That's what I'm saying. When I got it, it was so stiff and so perfect. Like it was so predictable.
Yeah.
And just as time's gone on, it's just got worse and worse to the point where I just feel like I'm gonna fall off the road half the time.
Well, we're now in the house of Tein.
Oh yeah. All green everything.
So conclusion of test drive number 2.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Tain's the way forward.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. No
So, yeah.
noises.
Nah. Finally got rid of that horrible clunking noise that's been bugging me for about 7 months. It's progressively getting worse. Yeah. It's good. Feels good. I'm happy.
Mhm.
I'm glad we got it done.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Didn't feel much.
But
But it's done.
yeah.
And you get the idea of how to do it.
Yeah. Roughly.
It's not much of a tutorial.
Yeah. But it's pretty. Well, self-explanatory.
Yeah,
it's not even that hard. You don't have to play with any ball joints or anything. It's,
yeah,
you know,
was,
4 nuts top bottom.
Yeah,
That's it.
Extra easy because I had pre-set up coilovers coming off, so I just went with original settings because they were good to start with.
None of having to compressor springs and all that stuff.
Yeah, so it's a lot easier. Let's see someone else's tutorial if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, there's probably a more detailed one there, but the bits that was videoed, well, really was the main bits.
Yeah.
The most important bits, but
and the rest would just be a nice compilation with some music over it.
Yeah.
It will look good.
Yeah. Sweet.
So yeah. Awesome. Thank you, buddy.
No problem. Do I have to get in this bit now?
Yeah, you gotta say hi.
Probably I might be in it, I don't know.
Hey! You got a nice green glow. You look like a bit of an alien at the moment.
That's better. Got my skin tone back. Yeah. Cool.
Awesome.
Podcast.
So, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe, hit the like. Stay tuned for more next time on Dragon Ball Z. Thank you, buddy.
Bye.